Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your name in the Happn app on your phone. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Happn app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. You need to make sure that you're logged into your account. After you log in, you will see this interface. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. On your profile page, you will see the settings icon at the top. Tap on it. Here you will see the My Data option. Tap on it. Now in order to change your name, tap on Change My Data. You will be redirected to the Happn help page, so you can read through the instructions. Here we need to change our name on the Happn app, so that falls under this category of modification. Here it says that on my profile I can only change my photos. If I have to change my name, then I'll have to change my first name, age or gender of my Facebook page. So this only implies if you have created your account previously with your Facebook account. This means you need to change your name of the Facebook account in order to change your name on this Happn account. So the best option to change your name is to delete this account and create a new one. Creating a new account is a very simple and quick process. You can check out our previous videos on how to do it. So that's it. You can only change your name on your Happn app if you have created your account previously with Facebook. Otherwise, you have to create a new account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.